I'm Diana Ralys, and today I will show you how I apply eye cream using rose quartz crystal. We will be using hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is a sugar molecule that is responsible for hydration and stability of the tissue. And the truth is, when the skin is properly hydrated, it automatically looks healthier, is healthier, and it looks younger, which we like. We also will be using, of course, firming eye cream. In this firming eye cream, I was able to pack 40% of firming peptides. Now, a little history about the firming peptides, the studies, the research that was done on firming peptides, even the products containing 10% or 12% of the firming peptides showed positive firming effects on the skin. Now, this product has 40%. Besides the firming peptides, I also have caffeine. And caffeine is well known for its ability to increase microcirculation and reduce puffiness. And it's the best active ingredient for dark circles as well. In addition to that, I also have DPHP, which is a plant-derived amino acid chain, the collagen amino acid chain, which provides moisture and triple action firming, which strengthens and rejuvenates the skin. I will be using a rose quartz crystal, the smaller part of it around the eye. And the thing about the power about using rose quartz in the skincare is that everything is electromagnetic energy. We are crystals, are everything around us is, right? So when we hold the crystal, our electrical impulses interact with the crystal, creating even more energy. All right, so let's get to it. I will take the hyaluronic acid. I'm gonna be working just around one eye to see if we can see any difference, if we can detect any difference. So I took just one pump. So I applied the hyaluronic acid serum, and now I'm gonna be massaging it with the rose quartz crystal. So I'm using just a very light pressure, and I'm making a circular movement and going towards inner side of the eye. I'm gonna be working on the temple. Just making circles and massaging out my laugh lines, and I laugh a lot. I remember back in Lithuania, where I'm from, my esthetician was working on my skin, and I asked her, what can I do to those lines that I'm developing around my eyes? And she said, stop smiling. I said, well, that will not happen. I will just keep smiling and I will deal with those wrinkles later. Now we're moving on the upper lid. Of course, make sure you're not massaging your eyeball. That would not be comfortable, but you do lift a little bit and again go towards the inner eye. Okay, now we're gonna leave the hyaluronic acid to settle. And while we're waiting, I will read you something that I came across this morning in a book, Emotional Wellness by Osho, philosopher Osho. Remember, all negative emotions need energy. They drain you. And all positive emotions and positive attitudes are dynamos of energy. They create more energy. They never drain you. If you are happy, suddenly the whole world flows towards you with energy. The whole world laughs with you. People are right when they say, when you laugh, the whole world laughs with you. When you weep alone. When you're positive, the whole existence goes in giving you more, because when you're happy, the whole of existence is happy with you. How appropriate is that when I was just talking about my lines and wrinkles, right? All right, so now we're gonna move on to applying eye cream, my firming eye cream. So I'm gonna take just a small amount and dab all around my eye. And again, I will be massaging it in with my rose quartz crystal. You can also do just gliding and helping to flush out the extra water there. That's why we're sliding towards the inner side of the eye. Now I'm working on my deeper lines and the temple. Now, why also is a good idea to massage with the crystal is that none of the cream now is going into my fingers. It's not absorbing into the crystal, so it's all going into the skin. So that is, saving pressure product, but also amplifying how much product we can penetrate into the skin. All right, let's see if we can see any difference. Can you see how less puffy this under eye is and how less visible my smile lines are than on this side? This is magical. All right, I will finish my other application of my other eye later off the camera. And that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know if you have any questions. You can email me at drskinhealth@gmail.com. You can find all these beautiful products on my website, drskinhealth.com or radiancewellnessspa.com. Until next time.